everyone, welcome back to VideoProc Vlogger's channel. In today's video, we will show you how to create this ink splash effect. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. Before we start making the video, we first need to prepare some ink materials. You can find and download them from the internet. Once you're ready, let's open VideoProc Vlogger and import an image with the person in it. Then we need to cut out the person from the image. You can use some web-based third-party tools to easily remove the background from the image. After that, we import the cut-out person back into VideoProc Vlogger. Next, let's create a text. First, click here to open the settings interface. Find the background. Click the small triangle on the right to expand the menu. Click white. And then, click down to return to the main interface. In the toolbar, click here to create a text material. In the input field, enter the content you want. Choose an appropriate font. And change your text color to gray. Then find text shadow and set the offset value to 0. Adjust the position and size of the text in the preview window. And then click here to take a screenshot of the image. Import the image back into VideoProc Vlogger. And delete the text material from the timeline. Next, let's import the ink materials we prepared earlier. Drag the person image back to the video track. And select an appropriate material to place in the overlay track. You can increase the contrast of the material to facilitate the subsequent steps. In the inspector panel on the right, find blend mode and choose screen. Adjust the playhead position on the timeline to find the moment the ink appears. And then adjust the size and position of the material in the preview window to ensure the ink completely covers the person. Use the ripple edit to trim off the excess parts. In Fade and Move, check Fade Out and set a duration to 0.5. Next, drag the complete person image into the video track, placing it behind the person material. And then, choose another ink material and place it on the overlay track. Align it with the second segment. Adjust the material's contrast as before. Choose Screen. And fade the material to the screen. Use the ripple edit to trim the material to the same length and check Fade Out, setting the duration to 0.5. In the same way, create another character appearance segment. Once finished, we export this material. Create a new project, import a video we just made, and place it in the video track. Move the playhead to find the 3 segments we just created, and use Split to cut them apart. Create 2 new overlay tracks. Place the subtitle file on the bottom track, the cut-up person material on the middle track, and the material with the background on the top track, like this. Then drag the background material and text material backward a little bit to create some delay between them. Use Split to trim the middle track material from the start of the second segment. Select the second half of the material. Change your blend mode to darken. And then set the text layer's blend mode to linear burn. This completes the ink splash effect. Well, that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about the other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in your next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye!